Assalamu alaikum. This is Alif Hossain, and now I am presenting the presentation of final examination of advertising and promotion. And this presentation is prepared for Mr. Tarafdar MD Mehdi Al Mamun sir. And here are the agenda of the task you given to me, and I work with. And now the first question. The first question is how and why marketing communication is very crucial task for dynamic markets, and the crucial parts are effective communication, build and maintains relationship. To build a effective communication and maintains relationship, make a marketing plan crucial, and facilities in innovation when marketing enhancement transparency overcomes marketing obstacles. Effective communication establishes professionalism when marketing boosts the morale of the marketer. And now steps and activities that involve for developing media plan. Here are the 4 steps: market analysis, establishment of media objectives, media strategy development and implementation, and evaluation and follow up. And by the next slide I am describing each of the steps. And the first steps is analyze the market. To analyze the market, selecting the target audience and determining the market potential, and studying the internal and external factors affecting media plan, determine the geographic and timing of advertisement. And second step is establishing media objective. To establishing a media objective, we should coverage all the media, reach, coverage, reach, frequency, gross rating point, and connectivity. And the third step was develop media strategy. To develop a media strategy, first we have to know the marketing mix, geographic coverage, scheduling my advertising, and qualitative aspect of a media and the last step is evaluation and of performance or follow up. How successful when the strategy is achieving media objective. We should know how successful we and how is achieving the media objective. Was the media plan successful in accomplishing advertising objectives? Now promotional tools that will be effective to promote Walton refrigerator in the rural areas of Bangladesh. So by this way Walton is effective to promote their products. The first thing is push up sales promotion. By push up sales promotion, and to make the free display of my refrigerator, and by free display of my refrigerator and storage demonstration incentives to dealers, and lucky draw constant. By free display I can promote my Walton refrigerator in rural area, storage, refrigerations, and by demonstration I can also promote this brand. And by giving incentives to dealer I can motivate them and make them to sell Walton refrigerator. And by lucky draw for the clients and others concept, it can easily promote Walton refrigerator and make it sell boost up in rural area of Bangladesh. And promotional tools that will be effective, and the tools are many: refund premiums, money refund premiums, exchange premiums, interactive game, fairs and exhibitions, price discount, and financing at the interest. And elements of every market message from a symmetric perspective. There are 3 elements: the object, the signifier, interpret, and signified, and appeal option that can be used in an advertising message. Comparative ads of fair appeals and humor appeals. Difference between samples and premium as promotional tools. Here are the sample and here are the premiums, and the sample was the first difference is samples are defined as offers to consumers of a small amount a product or of trial, and the premium it referred to good offered either free or low cost as an initiative to buy a product. And the second difference is free sample are given to consumer to generate their interest in the product, and premium may be inside the package, outside it, or received through mail. And the third difference is the samples help consumers verify the quality of the product, and premium is generally offered for consumer goods. The samples usually delivered at the door of the customers, and the premium reusable package itself serve as a premium. And here are the Wallis view of the creative process. And thanks for watching, and forgive me if I make any mistake. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.